Want to create eye-catching mockups in minutes? No need for complex tools or expensive software. I'll show you a simple way to make professional mockups using Photoshop. Let's get started. Open your t-shirt image in Photoshop. To insert a logo, go to File, Place Embedded, then select your logo image. Remove the background by selecting the magnetic Lasso tool from the toolbar. Carefully trace around the subject, creating anchor points until the path is closed. Click the Add Layer Mask button to apply the selection. Right-click on the layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Right-click again and select Rasterize Layer to finalize the changes. Adjust the logo size and position it perfectly on the t-shirt. Right-click the logo layer and convert to Smart Object again. Click Add Layer Style, then select Blending Options. Use the Underline Layer option to refine the blend. Hold Alt-Option while dragging the slider to create a smooth blend between layers. On the left side, as you move the pointer, a crease shadow appears. This gives a realistic depth effect, making it look like the logo naturally follows the t-shirt's folds. Open your bottle image in Photoshop. Go to File, Place Embedded, and choose your bottle label. Right-click the label layer and convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl-T, Command-T on Mac to activate Free Transform. Resize and position the label on the bottle, but don't press Enter yet. To warp the label, go to the Options bar and click the Warp button. Open the Warp drop-down menu and select the Cylinder option. Now, let's adjust the label shape using on-screen controls. Top center adjusts both upper and lower arcs. Bottom center controls the bottom curvature. Corner points resize the entire label. Middle control point shifts the perspective. Once everything looks perfect, press Enter to confirm. Hold Alt-Option for clipping mask, ensuring the label is only visible within the bottle shape. Next time, open your previously saved PSD Mockup file. In the Layers panel, locate the Smart Object layer containing your logo. Double-click on the Smart Object thumbnail. It will open in a new tab. Go to File, Place Embedded, and insert your new logo. Delete or hide the old logo. Resize and adjust the placement as needed. Press Ctrl-S, Command-S on Mac to save the Smart Object. Close the Smart Object tab, and Photoshop will automatically update your mockup, keeping the perspective, shadows, and effects intact. Enjoyed this tutorial? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Until then, keep creating amazing art.